So what I wanted to do is show you this PDF digital planner. It's not an app. It's not intended to necessarily replace anything like Google Calendar. What it essentially is able to let you do is to take something like an actual planner that you might buy at the store that would cost you anywhere from $10 to $50, $60 and kind of give you all of those sort of features in a digital environment. So you'll notice on the left-hand side, it'll kind of give me a preview, and then it'll take me directly to my January calendar. At any point, if I tap on this clip, it'll take me back to page 1. Same thing here, February. These dates, it's pretty much a blank slate. The dates on here, though, the only ones that have been kind of taken are from the 2019 and 2018 academic calendar. So like early releases, no school, bad weather makeup, things like that. And so you'll see March and April and May. On this side, you have weeks. So sometimes people just want to use a month calendar, and that's fine. If you'd like to use a week calendar, this is essentially what you have kind of at your disposal. And remember, because you're in Notability and a PDF, you are able to zoom in to any of these, and then you can type or draw or handwrite pretty much anything that you want to include. You can actually include images as well. So again, it's really just a PDF with a little bit of interactivity to it. A few other things here, you've got things to consider. It just has some questions to keep in mind. And you have tasks and commitments. These could be ongoing things you just kind of need to be reminded of, classes that you might want to make sure you're studying for daily, things like that. What I wanted to show you is right now you only have one of these week views, and I want to show you how you can kind of make more of these if you choose to do so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the upper right hand corner, and you can see that week view is already selected, and I'm going to tap on these 3 dots and I'm going to say copy, and then I'm going to come over here to January, kind of in between January. There we go. Maybe. And I'm going to say paste. Okay. And so now you'll see January right here, and then you'll see that this guy got pasted right here. Now you'll notice that it's not gone from right here. This is basically your template. So the way that you would do this is now if I click on January and I'm in January, if I go to the next page, you'll see I have a week view. And if I want to write on that one, that's fine. Again, I could always go back to the original one. So if you wanted another one of these, all you would have to do is come over here and say copy, and then basically you're just going to say paste, and it will paste in a moment directly after that. Now, if you paste it in the wrong spot, it's not a big deal. These are drag and drop. They're really easy kind of to reorganize. So I wanted to show you how you could really make this your own.